was about time I did a little update after Christmas. Hope you all had a nice Christmas, New Year's and all that. I thought I could flip the camera between this mode and the other mode, so I might have to drop. Yeah, I thought I would do a little, you know, New Year's situation. How are we all? Hope you had a good time, hope you relaxed, spent time with your families. I did as well. I also did a lot of tidying. Doesn't look like it, but we're actually in quite a nice position. Oh yeah, back to front, look at that, hey! Look into my eyes. Anyway, so today I thought it's freezing cold, like it snowed last night. Dog's out there, she's working on a little project I gave her, treat scatter in the garden. So I thought it would be time to start the car. It's really cold, hasn't been started for a long time. I've oiled the bores and all that stuff, so she should just spring to life. But you know, it's unlikely to happen. So anyway, we're gonna crack on, do a little start procedure, and get her cracking. Let her run for a little while. All these alarms are gonna go off. Don't know if you can see them. This one here, this one here. Got a couple more in the garage as well, they're all gonna go off. So as soon as they go off, I'll stop filming because it's gonna be really annoying. But I wanna get the garage warm. Starting the car in the garage, especially with the exhaust in the garage, is a bad idea. Front door, back door are open. And I just want it to run up to temperature, sit there chilling, burn a bit of fuel, and then I can let it air out while I'm continuing with the kitchen. Time to start the car. It is actually freezing. I don't know how cold it is, but it is cold. Super strong coffee, ready to rock and roll. It hasn't been started in a couple of weeks. I have oiled the bores, as I just said, but I really don't like my car sitting, not running for a while, especially as it does run now. So I'm going to start it, get it running, see what happens. I don't know whether to film the back, get it started, or film the front really. If I had two cameras, I could do both, couldn't I? I don't have two cameras, so I don't know what's best to film really, the front or the back. I guess we could put you on a camera on a thingy here, on the old tripod. Oh, it's Baltic! Oh.
Five minutes later.
Anyway, let's have a little look around. We've probably got seconds before the alarms go off. The fact that started first go is pretty impressive. There we go. We ain't got long. There she is. I just want to check the leaks. There's a little bit of something under there, isn't there? Oh, you son of a bitch! Right, I have to investigate what that is then. Not sure what that is. Well, anyway, opening up here, it's looking okay. Thanks for watching. I know it's going to be really annoying, so I'm just going to switch it off now. Well, that's the first start in a good few months, and she just went. Absolutely loved it. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you real soon for a proper update.